हेलो चिल्ड्रन, आई एम सोनिया अडवाणी एंड यू आर एट माय चैनल सोनियाज क्लासरूम। पिछले वीडियो में मैंने क्लास 8th इंग्लिश की सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर इट सो हैपेंड का 5th लेसन प्रिंसेस सितंबर समझाया और इस वीडियो में मैं इस लेसन के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स बताऊंगी। तो आइए कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक 1 से शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ मेनी डॉटर्स डिड द रॉयल कपल हैव? आंसर, द रॉयल कपल हैड 9 daughters. Question 2. Why were they named after the months of the year? Answer. They were named after the months of the year because the queen found it difficult to remember their names. Question 3. The king had a peculiar habit. What was it? Why is it called peculiar? Answer. The king had a peculiar habit of giving gifts on his birthday. It is called a peculiar habit because generally one receives gifts on his or her birthday. Question 4, Part 1. What was Princess September's reaction to the loss of her parrot? Answer. Princess September burst into a flood of tears and could not be comforted by anything. Question 4, Part 2. What was her mother's reaction to it? Answer. Her mother found such reaction unreasonable and she asked the maids of honor to put her to sleep without the supper. Question 4, Part 3. What do the reactions indicate about the nature and temperament of each? Answer. Princess September's reaction shows that she was very innocent and emotional, and the Queen's reaction shows that she was a bit rude and emotionless. Question 5. What pulled the princess out of her gloom? Answer. The arrival of a little bird to her room at night comforted her. The bird sang a very beautiful song which made the princess very happy and she came out of her gloom. Question 6. How did the maids of honor come to know that the princess and the bird had become intimate friends? Answer. The maids of honor saw the bird eat rice out of the princess's hands. The bird had its bath in princess's saucer. It sang sweetly and this made the princess very happy. So they came to know that the princess and the bird had become intimate friends. Question 7. The new bird was full of new songs, but the old parrots always repeated themselves. What did they say? Answer. They always said, God save the king and Pretty Polly. Question 8. What is the king's opinion about his counselors? Why did he form that opinion? Answer. The king thought that his counselors were like the parrots because they used to say the same thing differently but it never meant anything. Question 9, Part 1. The 8 princesses made an offer to Princess September. What was it? Answer. They offered to buy another green and yellow parrot with their pocket money for the princess. Question 9, Part 2. Why in your view did they do it? Answer. They did it because they were jealous of the little bird who sang beautiful songs to Princess September. They wanted this little bird to go. So they thought with the coming of the new parrot, that bird would go. Question 10. What did the sisters advise the princess to do about her bird? Answer. The sisters advised the princess to put the little bird into the cage. Now comprehension check 2. Question 1. In the following sentence, elaborate the parts given in bold. Under the circumstances, it was a very unfortunate remark for the bird to make. Children, here the bold parts are under the circumstances and a very unfortunate remark. Now the answer. The little bird returned after a very long time. Princess was already very worried about him, and when he said that he was not about to come that night, she got more worried. This is why, under such tense circumstances, it was a very unfortunate remark for the bird to make. Question 2, Part 1. What did Princess September do to ensure the safety of her pet? Answer. Princess September put the bird into the cage to ensure its safety. Question 2, Part 2. How did the bird react to it? Answer. The bird did not like it at all. It left singing and eating as well, and if it couldn't sing, it would die. Question 3. Why did the bird refuse to be taken out in her cage? Answer. The bird refused to be taken out in her cage because the world seems different when looked at through the bars of a cage. It wanted to see them freely without the cage. Question 4, Part 1. What persuaded Princess September to give the bird his freedom again? Answer. The bird was very sad after it was put in cage. It stopped singing and eating as well. It said to Princess September that it couldn't sing unless it was free, and if it could not sing, it would die. This persuaded the princess to give the bird its freedom back. Question 4, Part 2. How did the bird react to it? Answer. He opened his wings and flew right away into the blue. Question 5. Princess September kept her window open day and night. Part 1. How did it help the bird? Answer. It helped the bird to fly in and out as and when it liked. Like this, its freedom was also ensured. Part 2. How did it help the princess herself? Answer. The bird was free and happy. This happiness transcended into the princess and she grew extremely beautiful. When she was mature enough, she was married to the king of Cambodia. Question 6. The 8 sisters kept their windows shut. How did it affect them? Answer. They became extremely ugly and disagreeable. The king married them to the counselors. बच्चों, अब लेसन के एक्सरसाइज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Are the sisters unkind and cruel? Find evidence in the text to support your idea. Answer. Yes, the sisters were unkind and cruel. They were in fact jealous of Princess September because her little bird sang very sweet songs, whereas their parrots could repeat only 2 things. Question 2. Which to you is the most important idea in this story and why? 1. Importance of music. 2. Value of freedom. 3. Beauty of nature. Answer. To me, the most important idea in this story is the value of freedom, because freedom lets one live. If one is denied freedom, he or she might even die. बच्चों, कुछ और क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स के साथ अपने हिसाब से बता रही हूँ, जो मैं अगर पेपर सेट करती तो जरूर पूछती. First question. The 8 sisters wanted to see the little bird in a cage. Princess September also agreed to this. Do you think that Princess September was also cruel like her sisters? Answer. Princess September agreed to put the little bird in a cage, but it was sheerly out of concern for that bird. That is why when the bird persuaded her to free him, she agreed and put the bird's happiness first before her own. This shows that she had a kind heart, unlike her other 8 sisters. Question 2. How the princess grew into a beautiful lady but her sisters did not? Answer. Princess September understood the value of freedom which was taught by the little bird. She used to keep her window open day and night so that the bird can come in and go out as he liked. This made the bird very happy. It sang her beautiful songs which he learned while being free. This happiness transcended into the princess too, and she grew extremely beautiful. Her sisters never slept with their windows open, so they could not receive the happiness and beauty of nature and freedom, and grew ugly and disagreeable. इसी के साथ ये वीडियो एंड करती हूँ. मेरी क्लासरूम अगर अभी तक आपने ज्वाइन नहीं करी है तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब बटन प्रेस करिए और साथ ही बेल आइकन भी, ताकि नेक्स्ट लेसन अपलोड होते ही आपको तुरंत पता चल जाए. जल्द मिलते हैं, तब तक खुश रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए और मेरा चैनल देखते रहिए. नमस्कार.